guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks on how to customize your MacBook to look super cute and trendy and perfect for each season or your aesthetic. So let's just jump right into the video. I have them all written down on a little notebook here, but I did some research and I also saw other people's videos, so I do have some of their tips that I am going to be crediting, but a lot of these I kind of already knew about, like from a while ago, and then some of them I just recently learned. So I wanted to show you guys my customized MacBook and how you can customize it to be your own. As you can see, let's start off with this. So the first little customization tip is downloading this screensaver. So I'm not sure if I think it might be showing up backwards on you, but it is like a little analog time clock, and it's so cute, and it kind of just looks aesthetic and feels like, I don't know, feels so sophisticated. I love it. So I will actually show you guys how I downloaded that and got it on to my desktop. Okay, so we are going to go to, I believe it's called Fliglo, and it's going to take you to the screensaver here. And depending if you have a Windows or a Mac, you're going to download it depending on your computer. So we're just going to hit download. I have a lot of downloads right now. So once it's done downloading, we'll go here. We're going to double click it. It's going to verify, and then you can hear my dog. And then you're going to click this, the Fliglo.saver, double click that. Now I already have it so in my screensaver settings, so I'm just going to hit replace, and it should take a little bit to pop up here. So I had to wait I think 10 minutes or so for it to work and to load on here. But let me show you how to get there. So all you're going to do is go to System Preferences, and you're going to hit Desktop and Screensaver, and obviously you'll click Screensaver here, and then you'll click it, make sure it's clicked, and then you can decide what you want to do with it and stuff like that. Now, kind of going along with that, my other tip I wanted to talk about is hot corners. Now, as you guys can see, when I go to my upper right hand corner, my screensaver comes up, and then when I come down, it unlocks my computer. So that's kind of what hot corners is. So you can hit start screensaver on this corner, or maybe this corner, and then your desktop over here, or vice versa. So that is how you can customize that. Next, moving along onto the desktop, as we already have it pulled up, you can, as you can see on mine changes every minute, but let's change it so I can show you guys. If your little icon here for your photo booth is not popping up, what you can do is instead go to your photos and drag your photo album to your desktop. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit add, this little plus sign at the bottom, go to your desktop, and let's add that folder in of all of the photos that you want. And now you have them all right here, and you hit, just make sure change picture is clicked, and then make sure every minute, or if you want every 5 seconds, which I'll show you what every 5 seconds looks like. And I'm just actually going to put this in my wallpaper thing over here. You can see it always is, it's just going to change every 5 seconds, which is super cute and really fun. Like I said, you can always make your own wallpaper. I always use Canva for my YouTube thumbnails, and you can make really great collages on there. I do that for school, so you can always just make your own background and add it. Next, we're going to be talking about folder icons. Now, I've been doing this for quite a while, probably since 7th or 8th grade. I knew of this trick. So as you can see right here, I have all my folders, and I kind of labeled them. So what I do, and you can do this with any photo as well, I go to canva.com, and like I said, I've been using Canva for so long. This is how I make my YouTube thumbnails. So we are going to hit create a design here, and go to Instagram post. That way it's a square. So this is just one way to do it if you just kind of want like a shape or something. So you'll go to elements here, and then you can, I just use like a square, so you can, I used a circle, sorry. So then all I do is I'm going to drag it to the size of the square, that way it's nice and big. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to, play around with the colors, type in a, a color code, all of that fun stuff, make it what I want. So let's make it that. Well, let's go with the aesthetic that we have going on. So I'm going to make it like this musty yellow, and I'm going to download it. And I'll also show you with a photo as well what you can do. So let's look up like what's something really cute. Let's look up like a heart. We're going to look up a heart. So I already have that saved, so I'm going to delete that, and I want it to be this. So like I said, I'm going to put it in the corner here, and I'm going to drag it so that it's nice and big. I'm going to download it. Alright, so now that we have it downloaded, I'm just going to drag them to my desktop. That way it's easier for you guys to see. Okay, so first we need to get rid of the white background. So how you do that is open with preview, and it's super easy. So you're going to hit like this little marker tool right here, and then you're going to go over to this like magic wand tool. And what you're going to do is just kind of drag your mouse until it like fills up the white, and then you'll hit delete, and then you're going to do it on each side. Sometimes you'll do the whole photo, which is nice, but this one I guess is just being annoying. So we got all the white away, which it's hard to tell on this, but let me do it on the white here, or let me do it on the heart. So this one did the whole photo. So delete that. Now you don't have to add any writing if you don't want to, because it is going to be labeled down below on what your folder is. But how I labeled mine was just in Photoshop, and I downloaded some fonts from defont.com. But what you do is you're going to open this up, and you're going to hit Command A to select it all, okay? And then you're going to hit Command C for copy. Now let's create a new folder. Let's see, new folder, and it's up here, and desktop demo. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have everything copied already. So we're gonna left hand click, so control click with your mouse, and you're gonna go to get info. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is the little folder icon here, you're gonna click on it and make sure that it's highlighted, and you're gonna hit Command V, and it changes the shape. And now we see right here, this folder is a little cute heart. Now to delete it and go back to the normal folder, all you have to do is just make sure on the get info it's highlighted again, and you'll just hit delete, and it goes back to normal. So that is how you can customize your own folders. Super cute, super fun. I love doing that. You can do it with photos as well. You can download a photo just from the internet, no matter what size it is, and like I said, then you'll open the photo, you'll get away all the white stuff and make it transparent background, and then you'll hit Command A, Command C, get info, and then copy it in. So the next one is the sticky notes calendar and photo. Now I found this idea from a YouTuber here her name is Julia K. Christ. She did a whole video on customization of Macs, and I got this tip from her, so I do want to credit her on that. It was such a cute idea. I love it so much. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to pull up my little calendar that I found. So I just looked up cute September 2020. Let's see. Is it this one? Yeah, cute September 2020 calendars. And then I'm also going to take this, get this photo of me and my boyfriend. So let's delete this little sticky. Okay, so we're going to show you from the beginning. So you're going to open up stickies. As you can see, I kind of just deleted the photo so I can show you guys how I put the photo on there. It's kind of the same thing as the icon. So first you can drag, how big you want your sticky to be. It's just up to you. So we're going to take our photo that we downloaded or airdropped, whatever, and we're going to open it up, and you're going to hit open with preview. And we are going to just hit the magnification, the minus, okay? And make it as big as you think would fit into your sticky. So I think that might be a little too big, so I'm going to just do that. Yeah. And then you're going to hit, now to do a screenshot, it's usually Shift Command 3, but we want to do Shift Command 4 so that we can drag where we want our screenshot to be so it doesn't screenshot the whole screen. So you're going to hit Shift Command 4, and then it'll give you this little tool, and then you're just going to drag. Okay, and then it has your screenshot right in the corner here. Drag it to your desktop. Okay, and then we're going to open it. Well, actually, all you can do is just drag it on there, and there you go. Fits so nicely into your sticky. You can just drag your sticky note like this. Super cute. And then also we're going to do the same thing with the photo. So we're going to hit open with preview. We're going to magnify it to about, I'm going to do right here. Shift Command 4. Drag it to how you want it. And then you can just, add it right in. And there you go. Now you have cute sticky notes of a calendar and some photos, and it's such a great way to customize your desktop. I was searching for some other stuff on how you can customize your Mac to how you want. Also, sticky notes, if you want to change the color, you just come up here to color and you can make it blue. I just make it gray because it's more aesthetic to me. So there is that. But as you can see, I have my icons, my desktop hidden, and then when I drag down here, it pops up and they are kind of magnified. So to do that, you're going to go to System Preferences, and we're going to go back here, and we're going to go to the dock. Now, if you want to magnify it, so every time you slide over it, it kind of gets bigger, just like I am doing right here, you'll just make sure magnification is clicked, and then you can make it as, you can make it max, which is super big, and kind of have it in between, that's a little small. Kind of like that. So it's like a medium, happy medium. And now you can position your dock literally anywhere. So I like having it at the bottom here. I know my sister said she likes it on the left. So you can do it like that, which is super cute too, or the right. And then it'll be up here. I just like the bottom, just personal preference. Okay, and then also you can make it small or big. Here's the large. When it's up, you can make it super small, which I don't know why anyone would do that. So I kind of have it in between here. And then in order to hide and show your dock, there's some settings here, double click a Windows title bar, minimize Windows into application icon, but right here it says automatically hide and show the dock. So now if I didn't have that clicked, my dock would just always be up. But it's not cute to look at, it's not aesthetic. So I like just, hiding it, and then when I need it, come down here and highlight it and see what I need. So that is how you can customize your dock. Super cute. Just depends on your preference, really. It's whatever. And then lastly, I want to talk about changing color of the highlights. So if you see here, I kind of have my highlights are pink. They're super cute. You can make them literally any color, I think. Yeah. So mine are pink right here. So now I have to remember how I did this because I totally forget. I believe I went to general. Here we go. I went to general, and I'll also show you this highlight color too on Google Chrome. So when I highlight this, you can see it's kind of like a nudish peach color, and I customized that. So my accent color is what this is right here. When you click on something, I just clicked pink, but you can do blue, so it's blue. You can do orange for the fall, super cute. So that's how you can customize that. And then you can also have your desktop to be light or your desktop stuff to be super dark, kind of like this. It's kind of black, where this one has a white background. And also it shows up here too. I just like the light because it's like super clean and fresh, and it kind of just like opens everything up. I don't know. Just goes with my aesthetic, you know? And then here you have highlight color, and you're going to hit other, and it's going to pop up with like a little color wheel, and then you can, you know, pick and drag what color you want it to be. I just kind of have it at this nude color, and then every time you highlight like a website or, you know, some text, let's see, yeah, some text like this, it'll be that color. So good way just to, you know, customize it, kind of make, like I said, make your Mac your own. And there's that. And then you can also hide, if you want, you can hide this menu bar as well. I don't think it bothers me. It kind of goes with my aesthetic, but you can always hide it too. And that is it for this video. Those are just my tips and tricks on how to customize your MacBook to be your own, like very aesthetic and stuff like that. I'll make sure to have the link for this cute little analog clock down below in the description, along with Canva and some other stuff. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!